What to do when your gas furnace won't turn on? If your gas furnace won't turn on, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue before calling a professional technician. Check the thermostat. Make sure the thermostat is set to heat and is set to a temperature higher than the current room temperature. If the thermostat runs on batteries, ensure they are fresh. Check the power. Verify that the furnace is receiving power. Check the circuit breaker or fuse box to ensure the furnace's circuit is not tripped or the fuse isn't blown. Inspect the furnace switch. There is typically a switch near the furnace that resembles a light switch. Make sure it's in the on position. Inspect the pilot light. If you have an older furnace with a pilot light, check to see if it's lit. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for relighting it if necessary. Check the gas supply. Ensure that the gas supply valve is open. This valve is typically located near the furnace and should be parallel to the gas pipe when open. Inspect the air filter. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow and cause the furnace to shut off. Replace the filter if it's dirty. Reset the furnace. Some furnaces have a reset button. Refer to your furnace's manual to locate it and follow the manufacturer's instructions for resetting the furnace. Inspect the ventilation. Make sure the furnace vent pipes are clear of any obstructions such as debris or snow. Check for error codes. Modern furnaces often have diagnostic lights that flash a specific pattern to indicate a problem. Refer to your furnace manual to interpret any error codes. Call a professional. If you've checked all the above steps and your furnace still won't turn on, it's time to call a qualified HVAC technician to diagnose and repair the issue. Remember to prioritize safety when dealing with a gas furnace. If you smell gas or suspect a gas leak, turn off the gas supply immediately. Evacuate your home and contact your gas utility provider or emergency services.